had me scratching my head, because this is very important where the walls are going to go. As you know, the walls, as I've already said, under the walls must be a fire cut-off. So the studs must go under the wall. Where there's a wall must be something underneath it to block it off in case of fire, so it doesn't flip under the walls or in the ceiling as well. So it's a case of working out exactly where the walls are going to go and putting in the studs exactly where they're going to go. There is actually, I'll turn you on. There is actually 3 more joists to put in here to bring it into line with the walls, and then a lot of studding to do. There is, I'll turn you around and show you actually. So, as you can see, we've got this slot in here where the wall's going to go. Then there is another one there, got to go. There's another 2 there to go in. There's another one over here. And then studs go in the opposite direction. This is exactly where the walls are going to go. This is going to be, that's the bathroom. That's going to be the toilet in here. And then here is going to be a big walk-in wardrobe. So a walk-in wardrobe is going to go there, and that walk-in wardrobe goes directly into the bedroom, the master bedroom there. So you can imagine it's actually a little bit narrower than this, because there's a corridor runs down here to the toilet. So but anyway, it's still a good size walk-in wardrobe, and it's still a good size bathroom and there, and a toilet here. So you can imagine the bathroom here now. There's going to be a jacuzzi probably in that corner there, and a shower in this corner here, a shower cubicle in this corner here. My wife likes baths and jacuzzis, and I prefer showers, so why not have both? We've got the space, so sod it, we'll have both. But that's my plan today, so I'll put the tripod down and as ever work through it and put it into fast forward, otherwise that'll be a very, very, very long video. Okay, see you in a bit. Why I'm putting the studs here, as you can, I don't know if you can see this, not sure how good this is on camera, but where that nail is, that is the dead centre of the wall. This is a 10 centimetre wall. It's the toilet wall, and it's just a dividing wall. So it's in the dead centre there, so each stud is either side of the centre. So as you can see on the line, it goes along there, go up here a bit, so it goes along the line of the wall, in the centre of the wall, down that there.